Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best duck call that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Duck Commander Triple Threat Duck Call. Our top pick for the best duck call is the Duck Commander Triple Threat Duck Call. This triple reed option boasts a rare construction that isn't just easy to use but also versatile, giving you an all-around call perfect for different environments and situations when duck hunting. The unique tones are unlike anything else you've come across, and it mimics the Mallard hen calls like few other options on the market. With this new duck call, you can match the quack, feed, and hail for easy attraction and a successful day out. Suitable for all levels as one of the easiest calls to use, the only real issue is the lack of a suitable lanyard attachment, but we're sure you're resourceful enough to figure something out. Hunting enthusiasts will also like some of the best hunting blinds from our list. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Duck Commander Wood Duck Call. If you're a hunter on a budget or someone still unsure if this way of life is the one for you, the Duck Commander Wood Duck Call is a risk-free option to get you started. Boasting 3 sound levels and some of the most realistic duck calls around, you're getting an absolute bargain that feels too good to be true. This single-reed duck call offers versatility, while the durable construction means it'll last through this season and be your go-to for the next one and beyond. It's easy to use, loud, and effective, so even if you're a more experienced hunter, you'll love the quality sounds that emanate from this device. Despite all this, though, we don't advise using it in cold weather, around 55-12. This wood call has an unfortunate habit of freezing, and when you're just about to lure in your chosen duck, that is the last thing you want. Regardless, it is one of our favorite single-reed duck calls. Be sure to always have it in your hunting backpack. At number 3, we have the Duck Commander Camo Max Duck Call. The Duck Commander Camo Max is perfect for anyone who needs to keep hidden during their outings. The camouflage design is essential for seamless disguising, while the quality of the call speaks for itself in this double reed call. Used best as a close-in finishing call, the mid to low range tones exude perfect sound and excel when you need them the most, making it perfect for experienced hunters looking for a hassle-free performance every time when attracting mallard ducks. The double reed ensures easy use, and the custom tuning potential gives you an extra layer of quality. However, for all its wonders, it struggles to blow when wet, so keep it out of the way of rain, ponds, lakes, and be vigilant about drying it between uses. At number 2, we have the Haydel's Game Calls Inc. DR85 Mallard Duck Call. Nicknamed the Deceiver, Haydel's Game Calls Yardle Feats DR85 Mallard Call D-Reed is a fantastic choice for beginners while also offering excellent performance for experienced hunters every time. It covers the full chromatic scale and provides personal tuning options for easy customization wherever you are. It's lightweight and therefore easy to carry, giving you plenty of extra weight allowance for snacks and your fancy new hunting binoculars, while the ease of use makes it feel more welcoming than other, more advanced duck calls. The long-lasting design also represents superb value for money. However, while it's useful for casual personal use, there are too many features lacking to use it in world-class competition. As an easy everyday choice, though, you'll find a lot to love about this double-reed duck call. And finally, at number 1, we have the Duck Commander Pintail Widgeon Call. The Duck Commander Pintail Widgeon Call delivers a remarkable 6 calls all in one to appeal to a variety of ducks including teal drakes, mallards, doves, and quail. For those living in areas dense with variety, this is a fantastic choice and it is suitable for both beginners and expert hunters. This product is designed to appeal to even the shyest ducks with its versatility in producing different sounds. This model is forgiving and easier on the throat even with aggressive calling, so you can use it for longer. Despite this, when you produce sound, it is still sharp and loud. With almost unlimited potential, this is one of the top-rated duck calls available. To be able to protect yourself from larger animals while hunting ducks, be sure to pick one of the reliable bear sprays from our list. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.